Welcome back to Ride Reviews, the ultimate destination where power meets precision, and performance gets put to the test. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because today we're diving deep into a true American beast that's just been unleashed. Bigger, bolder, and faster than ever. This is the 2025 Holley Terminator X Max, a next-gen performance machine pushing out a jaw-dropping 850 horsepower, and it's got the whole world talking. This isn't just a refresh, this is a full-blown evolution. The 2025 Terminator X Max has been re-engineered from the ground up, bringing a commanding new design that screams aggression and control. The sculpted body lines, wide stance, and signature lighting setup make it impossible to ignore. The new BB design language enhances every curve and edge, giving it a modern muscle aesthetic that's unlike anything on the road. New color options include Inferno Red, Phantom Black, Velocity Blue, and a limited edition Arctic White, giving enthusiasts bold choices to match its bold performance. Under the hood, it's all business. The new Holley powertrain system has been fine-tuned to deliver up to 850 horsepower and a torque curve that punches hard and stays flat. Whether you're tearing down the quarter-mile or carving through mountain roads, the Terminator X Max delivers an experience that feels almost illegally fast. With advanced traction management, launch control, and a recalibrated 10-speed transmission, it's smoother and smarter than ever before. The performance upgrades don't stop there. The suspension has been fully reworked with adaptive dampers and a new chassis balance that gives it near-perfect weight distribution. New Brembo brakes, forged wheels, and track-tuned aerodynamics ensure it handles like a dream even at top speed. And for those asking, yes, it's built to dominate not just the track, but the midsize performance segment entirely. Step inside and you're met with a cabin that's nothing short of a high-tech command center. A full digital cockpit with a customizable 12.3-inch driver display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heads-up display, and Holley's new performance telemetry system. Premium leather sports seats, contrast stitching, ambient lighting, and carbon fiber trim elevate the interior to a new level of sophistication. This isn't just performance, it's luxury with a purpose. Tech lovers will appreciate the advanced driver assist systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree surround view camera. A new Harman Kardon audio system delivers crystal clear sound whether you're cruising the streets or hammering down the highway. And let's talk pricing. The 2025 Holley Terminator X Max starts at $62,900 for the base trim, with the fully loaded Performance Edition coming in around $78,500. Considering the tech, the power, and the complete reinvention of American performance it offers, this beast is priced aggressively to dominate its segment. The new Terminator X Max is more than just a car. It's a statement, a challenge to the status quo. With next-gen looks, insane performance, and features that rival top-tier European sports sedans, it's not just shocking the world, it's rewriting the rulebook. Thanks for watching Ride Reviews. If you're impressed by the 2025 Holley Terminator X Max, smash that like button and drop a comment below. Would you take this over a Charger, Mustang, or even a C63 AMG? Make sure to subscribe so you never miss the next beast we bring to the channel. Until next time, keep riding bold.